Morning, dear students. Now we start lesson number 13, page number 183. See over here. Second question, that is, there are 28 laddus in 1 kg. How many laddus will be there in 12 kg? If 16 laddus can be packed in one box, how many boxes are needed to pack all the laddus? So first of all, we have to find out how many. There are 28 laddus in 1 kg. 1 kg means 28 laddus. So 12 kg means how many laddus? First of all, we have to calculate this, and for that part we have to do the multiplication, because 1 kg means 28, 12 kg obviously more. So right over here, 1 kg laddu, 1 kg equal to 28 laddus. So 12 kg equal to 28 multiply 12. So as everyone know the table of 12, so 12 8s are 96. Carry 9. 12 2s are 24. 24 plus 9. 33. So the 12 kg means 336 laddus. Now our second question, if 16 laddus can be packed in one box, यानी एक बॉक्स में अगर 16 लड्डू जाते हैं, then how many boxes are needed to be packed all these laddus? So one box equal to 16 laddus. 336 laddus equal to asking means how many box. So 336 divided by 16. 16 2s are 32. Bring down this 6 over here, then 16 1s are 16. That means we need 21 boxes to keep 336 laddus. So how many boxes are needed? 21 boxes are needed. Next, question number 3. There are 26 rooms in a school. Each room has 4 plants. If each plant needs 2 cups of water, how much water do we need for all the plants? So there are 26 rooms in a school. Each room has 4 plants. Write first. One room equal to 4 plants. 26 rooms equal to 26 multiply 4. 104 plants in 26 rooms. Now, if each plant needs 2 cups of water, one plant need 2 cups of water. So total number of plants are 104. So 104 plants need 104 multiply 2 cups of water. Now multiply it. 4 2s are 8, 2 0 0, 2 1s are 2. That is 208 cups of water. Come for the next page. See over here. Make the best story problem. Each line gives a story. You have to choose the question which makes the best story problem. The first one is already marked. A shopkeeper has 50 boxes. There are 48 fruits in one box. Tick the one question which matches with the given problem. A number, how much will the shopkeeper pay in all? Number B, how many fruits are there in all? This is the correct form. So ticked over here. Now for the question 2. 352 children from a school went on a camping trip. Each tent had a group of 4 children. Now 3 options are over here. First option, how many children did each tent have? एक टेंट में कितने, हर एक टेंट में कितने कितने चिल्ड्रन हैं? ऑप्शन बी, हाउ मेनी टेंट्स डू दे नीड? कितनी टेंट की ज़रूरत होगी? एंड ऑप्शन सी, हाउ मेनी चिल्ड्रन इन ऑल आर इन द स्कूल? सो दिस इज द सेकेंड वन इज वेरी मच अप्रोप्रिएट, सो टिक दिस वन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. A shopkeeper has 204 mangoes. He puts them in boxes. Each box has 12 mangoes. Option A, how many more mangoes will he need? Option B, how many dozen mangoes does he sell? And option C, how many boxes does he need? This is more appropriate, that is number C. So tick number C. Now come on for question number 4. The cost of one book is rupees 47. Shanu buys 23 books. Option A, how much money does she have? Option B, how much money does she pay for the books? And option C, what is the cost of 47 books? So second one is the very perfect. So this is the correct. Next, cross check for Harisharan. Harisharan wanted to divide rupees 2,456 among his 4 sons. He asked his eldest son to tell him how much money each one will get. So his son told him, Papa, each of us will get 2456, that is 2456 divided by 4, rupees 624. When Harisharan started giving rupees 624 to each son, he was left with less money for the youngest son. छोटे के लिए पैसा कम हो रहा था. It seems you have made some mistake in the calculation. Let me check. Harisharan multiplied 624 with 4. He got rupees 2496. That means this is not the dividend. Dividend is 2456. So this shows you have done the division wrong. The son did the division again, that is 2456 divided by 4. Next, now he got 614. 2456. So we have to do ourselves. 2456 divided by 4. 4 6 are 24. 0. Bring down this 5 over here. Next 4 ones are 4. 1. Bring down this 6. Then 4 fours are 16. That means 614 is the correct answer. Before telling his father, he checked on his own. 614 multiplied by 4, he got 2456. Now, it is correct. Each one will get rupees 614. Come for the next. That is practice time. Do these divisions. Check your result by multiplication. First it is right over here, practice time. First is 438 divided by 9. 9 5s are 45. So 9 4s are 36. 7 and 8. That is 78. 9 8s are 72. 6. So 48 is the quotient and 6 is the remainder. Now checking answer, that is dividend equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. Here divisor is 9. 9 multiply 48 plus 6. 9 8s are 72. Carry 7. 9 4s are 36. So here it is 438. That means my division is right. Same way we have to do the next one. That is number B. Here it is 3480 divided by 12. 12 2s are 24. Bring down this 8 over here. 12 9s are 108. Come 0 over here. So dividend equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. So 12 multiply 290 plus remainder 0. If we multiply these two, we get over here 3480 plus 0. So 3480, that means my division is correct.